we will go to the OpenZeppelin contracts, and you will notice that in contracts token, there is a ERC 721 section. Okay, so if we click here, we are going to see the implementation of the ERC 721 token. Okay, here they define the name, the symbol, and balance of, owner of, name, symbol. All these functions are as specified in the standard. The same for the token URI that they have put in a different interface. But if we go to the standard, let's check the token URI. As you notice, this is part of the metadata interface. So they also created this metadata interface. Okay. We have a function-based URI that is virtual and internal, and that basically allow you to compute this value. Because this value, if you see here, this is going to be the result of concatenating the base URI plus the token ID. Okay? And then we have a set of functions like approve, get approved, set approval for all, is approved for all, transfer from, and the rest of the functions as specified in the ERC 721 token standard. Okay? Now, one important difference in comparison with the ERC20 is the minting mechanism. Okay? And in fact, the OpenZeppelin defines a save mint function that internally calls the other save mint internal function. Okay? What is this doing is, as you see, this one calls mint. And what the mint is doing is, notice that we pass a token ID. And this comes from the notion of an NFT, that the token has to be unique. So how do you make this token unique? Basically, you need to define a token ID. And what is this mint function doing? Is verifying that the token ID doesn't exist before. So that means that only you are going to be able to mint a new NFT as long as you are passing a token ID that hasn't been used before. Okay? How you assign this token ID is your decision. You are responsible to be sure that the token IDs are unique. Okay? In fact, let's check the recommendation for the token ID. So here in the section for NFT identifiers, they are telling that every NFT is identified by a unique ID. Okay? This identifier number shall not change for all the life cycle of the contract. Okay? And basically by doing that, because each address is unique, so you can say that the pair contract address and the token ID will then be unique.